In this video, I want to share with you how to change the background of your Google search homepage. So for example, this is the Google search homepage and you can see the way it looks because this is the background and this is actually the default background. Okay, so if you want to change it, you're going to customize it to your liking. You want to put in something, maybe another background or another image that you want, you can always do that. So to start with, all you need to do is to come over to this customize Chrome. So you just click on customize Chrome and this is the default classic Chrome Google search homepage. Okay, so you're free to explore other backgrounds. For example, when you check around, you can see the earth. Okay, you click and you see a bunch of other backgrounds that you can choose from. So let's say we can go with this one or with this. I think this one kind of looks cool, and once you're satisfied with it, you can click on done and you can see this is the photo by NASA image library. So I think it kind of looks cool and it takes in the icons and the YouTube search engine very nicely. Okay, so you can change it like this. Additionally, or alternatively, you can come back here and you click on customize the pen again, and then you can upload from a device, from this device, if you have it on your computer or on your pen drive or somewhere. So you just need to click on and navigate to the location where you have it saved. For example, over here, let me check this. I think I have one background over here. So once I want to put this background, you just select it and you click on open and it's going to take on that background just like that. So you can see it has changed the background, and I think this one also kind of looks cool because the background is very nice. So you can design the background according to your liking, and once you're free to change it. You're free to go back to the default settings by just coming back again and click on the default, and then you click on OK and it's going to go back to the default. Okay, you can change the colors as well. You can change the color theme. Right now it's set to this. You can change it to this. Okay, you can see the looks is changing, and or you can change it to this or to this red one or to this black one, depending on your choice. You can really change it, and you can check as you change. Okay, so you can just click on done and you can see the theme has been changed completely. So feel free to experience it, try to understand it. You can have shortcuts also. You can use shortcuts. Most visited sites, you can customize it and put in the most visited sites, so as part of your shortcuts. Right now it's set to this, and you can change the looks to something like this. Okay, so the theme initially was like this. I think I prefer it that way. So this is basically how to change the theme of the work, okay, of the background of your system. If you like this video, ladies and gentlemen, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.